Let's take a moment to look at the rest of the course as it is laid out in Moodle. Down the left side of the course's Moodle page is the dashboard. The dashboard can be toggled on and off using the hamburger button at the top left of your screen. We call it a hamburger button because of its 3 lines that kind of look like a hamburger in a bun. The dashboard can be opened and closed no matter where you are in the course. This comes in handy when you want to move to another module or week in the course from inside an assignment. For example, clicking on Week 2, Part 2 will get you to that module no matter where you are. Clicking on the name of the course will always take you back to the course's home page. I do not use badges and competencies in this course, but your grades and the status of your assignments is available by clicking on the Grades button. Scrolling down in the dashboard, you can find links to your other courses in the Vermont State College system, as well as your calendar, which should list all your assignments and their due dates. Down the right side of the Moodle page are course tools called blocks. Each block groups various tasks. Blocks are only visible when you are on the home page of the course. Here we can see Moodle documentation, which will take you to pages with information on how to use Moodle. Participants, which would allow you to get the email address and names for the other people enrolled in this course. Activities. Anytime if you want to see the assignments, forums, or resources provided over the course, you can see them listed by each of these types instead of by week. Have a question about what assignments you have and have not completed? Click on Assignments and you'll be able to see all the assignments you currently have access to. Most, but not all, assignments require some kind of submission. If an assignment says no submission in the submission column, you have not submitted anything to that assignment. A value in the grade column is the grade for that assignment. A dash in the grade column indicates a grade has not been issued. You can navigate to any assignment by clicking on its title here in the Assignments page. My Courses is also a block. Just like the bottom of the dashboard, you can navigate to another course or group you are involved with that has a Moodle page. The Accessibility block allows you to increase or decrease font size, or change the screen color, background, and text color for better accessibility. The CCV resources navigate back to CCV resources such as documentation on how to use Moodle, the library, tutoring, the Writing Center, CCV locations and career locations, and more. In the top right of your browser, you have some notifications about messages and chat, and you have a small picture with your name and role in the course, along with a tiny little menu pull down. That also gives you access to the dashboard, grades, messages, and the ability to change your preferences and profile. One of your homework assignments this week is to update your profile image if you don't have one. In order to recognize people in this class and also to present your best self in other CCV classes, it is important to make sure your Moodle profile is current. It is advisable to treat your college time like you would as an employee and to have a clear, recognizable headshot of yourself on your profile. From the Settings menu, click Profile, and in the User Details box, click Edit Profile. The first field you're going to see is your first name. If you go by something other than what is listed there, please change it to the name you'd like. This does not change your official name in which you are enrolled at CCV. This change will only appear in Moodle, not only in your gradebook for what I see from students, but also in our discussion forums. If you would like to add a description of yourself, you may do so, but it is not required. You are welcome to read over and modify your preferences, but this is also not required. You are required for your homework assignment this week to have a profile picture in Moodle. You will want to find a picture you want to use. Depending on the browser you're using, you can drag a photo from the folder to Moodle. Or, regardless of browser, you can click the New File icon at the top left of the New Picture Upload field, navigate to where your picture is, and select it. You're welcome to put in additional names, interests, and optional if you'd like. When you're done editing this page, you must click the Upload Profile button at the bottom of the page.